When you need to give a refund to a customer, there's three things that you can do. You can either issue them a refund check immediately, you can apply the balance to any outstanding invoices they have, or you can simply hang on to it, credit for the next invoice that comes along. I'm going to click on Create Invoices, and I'll go back one to pull up the last one that I did. Bread Express would like to return this one bottle of olive oil that they accidentally bought. I need to issue a refund. As I'm already on the invoice, one method I could do is click Refund and Credit from the top right-hand side of the screen. However, I'm going to close out of this because it could have been a cash sale, and I might not necessarily have given the product to them via invoice. In cases like this, right from the home screen, you can click Refunds and Credits. In the Customer Job area, I'll select Bread Express. Now I can line item everything they're returning. In this case, it was that one bottle of olive oil. I can put the quantity of items they're returning and line item any more. Here at the bottom, I can see that it's going to refund any money, including sales tax that they paid. When I hit Save and Close, I'm prompted with these three choices. I can either keep this as available credit, I can give them a refund immediately, or I can apply it to an existing invoice. I'm going to select Give a Refund and click OK. Now I'm prompted to issue a refund directly. I can click the pull down next to Issue this refund via and choose how I'm going to get the money back to Bread Express. It could be cash, check, credit card. I could even return it in the form of a gift card if I wanted to. Here's the refund amount, and I can see the date that it's going to be returned and printed from. I can even issue a memo. Make sure it's taken out of the right checking account if you have more than one. I'll leave To Be Printed checked off and click the blue OK button. Now, let's head over to the Print Checks area on the bottom right-hand side of the screen. I can see that this check is waiting to be printed. However, even if I didn't issue them a check, maybe I'd credited their account instead, I can still let the customer know that I processed this return, even if they aren't physically in front of me. I'll hit Cancel on this and go back into Refunds and Credits. I'll click the back left arrow at the top to get into the last one I did. Here I can see that they have a credit memo and it's marked as being refunded. From here, I can choose Email at the top of the screen and choose Credit Memo Refund. This is going to let me send an email to the customer and let them know that they have this credit memo applied to their account. When I'm all done, I'll click the X and I process their return.